So we're gonna do a quick experiment to test out what works better, micellar water or an oil-based makeup remover. For this experiment, I've got different sorts of product. I have got some Sephora concealer, Essence, some Sephora concealer, and this doesn't state it's waterproof, so I guess we can see how that works. And then we can test with the Essence Super Stay lip liner, and it says waterproof. And then we can also test with the Manhattan Endless Gel Eyeliner. It's also waterproof. This is a Maybelline Lasting Drama Mascara. It doesn't state whether it's waterproof, so I guess we can just, put that side to side. This is a Rare Beauty Blush. Doesn't say if it's waterproof. This is the Matte Super Stay by Maybelline, and we know that this is like this product stays on, so I guess it doesn't say waterproof, but we can test it out. And then I've also got this Maybelline, I've got a lot of Maybelline actually, but I've also got this Maybelline Tattoo Brow, and it's a waterproof gel. So we're gonna put all of these products, just swatch them on my hand. I would just like to add that this is not sponsored. I just love experiments, so we're gonna do an experiment. Okay, so for starters, I've got some Surgical Spirit, and we're gonna do the swatches on my hand just to make sure everything is totally off. I've got some cotton, and then we get some Spirit just to take off everything. Oh wow, this doesn't have like a extra cap. So we'll just wait for all of these to dry. Let me bring it closer so you can see. Maybe we can use the micellar water as the first swipe. I think I can rub it through this bottom half. Should I get closer? So let's start from here, and then we'll just do like one swipe and see what it comes off. Okay, maybe we can do, so that's what's just like, that's just with one swipe. I feel like maybe a lot of this product is waterproof, but you can see the concealer came off, the mascara, the eyeliner came off, the brow a bit, some of the wear came off. We'll just do a second swipe, and I'm like really hardly pressing. I'm like really getting in there. Okay, second swipe. Okay, it almost took everything off. What didn't come off? This is the lip. Actually, this is also good to see for like these products. So this is what didn't come off, the Essence Super Stay lip liner. That's this. The Rare Beauty came off, the eyebrow stuff came off, but then with the second swipe. The green stuff, not entirely, but sort of. But the Maybelline Super Stay, that was like, nope. Actually, we can try again with the Maybelline Super Stay. I still have some on the cotton bud. Let's see if I keep rubbing. Rubbing. It is not coming off. Okay, we're gonna try again. I'll put on some more on a fresh thing. And again, we can test this bottom half and like really get in there. It's just not, it's not coming off. It's not coming off. The concealer is coming off. This pink stuff as well is like, nope. Nope. But everything else, you can see everything else has come off except, I mean, it's sort of, but it's like a fight. And then now for the second half, which is where we're gonna use the oil-based makeup remover. I'll just put in like one puff, like two pumps. Okay, I hope that was enough, but anyway. And again, we can start from this end and then swipe. I'm pressing really heavily. Swipe. Wow! Do you see that? Like it almost took off everything, like it really, wow. Okay, get a new piece of cotton and swipe that in, a few balls. Okay, now I've got lots of it in, and then again we press it in, and then swoosh, and swoosh again. Okay, that has taken everything off, and see, this is from before, it still remained, so I could actually use that just to take all of that off. But this Maybelline is okay, but the more I rub, the more all of it goes away. Oh wow, that's amazing. So yeah, everything is off. So I would say in terms of efficiency, I like this in terms of efficiency because it really just, it doesn't matter what sort of makeup it is, it just takes everything off. And this, because I guess the pro for this is that it's also a toner. So the pro for this is also a toner, and the thing about this is that because it's oil-based, you then have to go back in, I will then have to go back in and wash my hand or wash my skin. Because it's a toner, you can leave this on your face after. Guess something else that's super cool about this, but this is made from 96% recycled plastic. They said what isn't recycled is like the labels, which is like this and the cap. But everything else, all of this other plastic is recycled, and I'm like, that's cool. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was a quick and easy tutorial / experiment, and I guess you can decide what sort of makeup remover you want to use.